So I feel like I have to film this. The truck hasn't been cranked in over 2 weeks. What's going on, guys? So you probably saw in a recent video where we did the full color matching on the Trail Boss, and I am personally in love with it. It still just blows me away every time I look at it. Like, that's the same truck. It looks so freaking good to me. I can't get over it. Well, we're going to be doing a little bit more color matching thanks to GORECON. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see what we got. All right, so we got a universal aluminum antenna from GORECON, and it's color match. Let's go. I've gone absolutely crazy, color match crazy. So this thing is gonna look awesome. We already do have a shorty, but this one's gonna be a lot more unique. So you got the GORECON logo right there. It is universal, so we have a bunch of different tips. We'll have to figure out which one fits my truck specifically. I'll have a link to this in the description. That way you can see exactly what all it should fit, if it'll fit your vehicle or whatever, see what different colors they might have. But if we come up here, we do already have a shorty on here, which I have enjoyed this thing. It's a little cheapo off of Amazon. It's a nice, sleek, little, flexible shorty antenna. Reception's good. Can't complain with it, honestly. Not going to talk bad about it just because I'm getting something new. But it is not going to be nearly as unique as that right there. That's going to look so much better and just add to the whole color match that we got going on. So let's go ahead and plop this baby off, figure out which little insert we need, get this on there. I think we might just be, maybe we don't even need one, to be honest. Maybe it's, no, we're gonna have to have one. All right. Whew, that sun is coming out in brutal fashion. Might have to have a little fun screwing this in because it is painted. Let's see if this is actually the right one. This little fat guy. Hopefully it screws in to where it doesn't stick up above that. I don't like it when they stick up. That's gonna have to be it right there, I feel. Yeah, that's gonna have to be it right there. That's actually it. Holy crap, the sun is in full effect, y'all. I am blinded by all the white. I'm taking one of the other ones and just gonna go ahead and screw it or thread it on so that the paint can like get pulled out of the way, so it'll actually go on to this one. Should thread on. We gotta move that black piece just a smidge out of the way. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. There she is. So with as much white as we got going on, I think I'm naming the truck Blizzard. Tell me if that sounds dumb or not. I've been thinking about names for this thing since I got the truck. Nothing's just sounded right. But now that we're doing this full whiteout, for some reason, I'm just thinking Blizzard. So comment down below. I don't know. I'm a little torn on that, but I think it's also kind of cool. But there is your GORECON 50 cal. Match up nicely with the rest of the whiteout. But the big thing is, does it mess up your reception? So let's hop in here and test. Let's see. Probably gonna mess my Bluetooth up and cut my phone off, but let's see. I hadn't tried this yet. This is first time trying. All right, let's see. So yeah, as I thought, my wireless CarPlay connected and turned the video off. But if we listen, that one's really clear. That one's got some static. That one's really clear. So y'all know me. I'm gonna bring y'all the honest truth. That is what it is. Maybe I'll just, I don't know, take it off, screw it back on. I don't know, see if maybe that paint, I don't know, okay? I don't know. But as far as looks goes, absolutely killer. Personally, I don't really ever listen to the radio. I'm always Bluetooth to Pandora or watching YouTube. I mean, listening to YouTube while I'm going down the road. But yeah, if you are a AM FM kind of person, that's what you're gonna be looking like. Just giving y'all the straight facts right there. All right, so do with that what you want. But shout out to GORECON sending this out. They also sent me the third brake light. I'm gonna be doing that install very shortly. I gotta have a couple hours and some good weather in order to do that, because it's complicated. You gotta drop the headliner, you gotta take that spoiler off to get to that, and it's a whole ordeal. But I do have the third brake light that's gonna go on to match the tail lights. So I think this is a super good look. Little bullet antenna up there. Got the GORECON tails, but I have the third brake light up there, blacked out. It's gonna look so good, and the truck is just coming together one step at a time, guys. So once again, comment down below. Let me know if you think Blizzard is a cool or dumb name. I'm a little torn. I don't know. But anyways, that's gonna be about it for this video. Just a quick tutorial, color matched bullet antenna from GORECON. If you got Summit White, it's pretty daggum close. I mean, you got that little black area that does break it up, so it's not directly touching the Summit White. But as far as my eyes and this blazing sunlight goes, it's pretty much dead on. So with that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. Comment down below, let me know. Shout out to GORECON for the products. Links to them in the description. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Holy crap, did I miss having a freaking truck. I feel like I'm in a literal lifted truck now. I feel huge. Driving those small things all week, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is why we own trucks. This is why. Go 2 weeks without one. This is why.